1. Engine 6 and ambulance 5. Accident with injuries. Walnut Avenue and Wilcox Avenue. Quiz 1 and ambulance 1. Stabbing victim. Engine 6 and ambulance 4. Animal body. Engines 5, 4, and 6. Quiz 1, ambulance 1, battalion 21, and battalion 1. Structure fire.
Possibly more sounds. Go to the research vaccine.
Engine 3 and ambulance 23. Seizure.
You're mad that I fired 90% of Twitter's workforce? Crimea would not serve you a soy boy latte.
And of course, Dr. Shaw. Dr. Beachwood.
Check this man's pulse.
And Dr. Shaw. Dr. Beachwood and Dr. Shaw. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Beachwood and Dr. Shaw. Hey, Doc, how about a script, man?
Here we go. I got one. I got one for you. This man is too fast. He needs 450.
That's all, folks.